Millen here from AV King in Brisbane. Today we wanted to give you a quick demonstration on this Maxhub portable speaker mic unit and this Logitech PTZ camera. So as you can see, the PTZ camera currently is mounted to this screen and zoomed in down that end of the boardroom table. But I've got preset 2 to zoom all the way out. So for a fairly large room like this, you could have this one PTZ camera covering pretty much your entire meeting. That's the maximum zoom of this room. And then preset number 3, we'll zoom in on the whiteboard. So you can set those presets in a few seconds to get that Logitech system to do whatever you want it to do. As for the Maxhub unit, this is a new system we've recently started pairing with a lot of the Logitech rooms that we install. That unit will do, again, a room of this size fairly well, and you can pair those up to have 2 in the one room. So I'll just quickly show you a demo of the audio quality. So if we start up this Google meeting, so I can walk around this room and I'll turn closed captions on there. So I can walk around this room and you'll see as I'm talking, the words are coming up on the screen because that Maxhub unit is doing a good job of picking up the audio. Even at this corner of the room, you can still see all the words are transcribed on the screen reasonably accurately. And that's one microphone doing the entire room. Obviously, if you did have this room completely full of people, you may want to have a second unit, which this Maxhub unit can support. This one here is the BM21, and we're also going to be stocking the BM35 shortly as well. avking.com.au if you would like to get a demo on any of this stuff at your premises, or come and see us in the city if you would like to have a look through our demo space with any of this gear on display. Thank you.